Every build tells a story, powered by the brands behind it. Built in the shop, proven on the road. No shortcuts, no trailers, just real miles to Las Vegas. If it makes it, it earns its place on the floor. This is our road to SEMA.
I flew into Grand Junction, Colorado. All the girls came back together.
Oh, she's right there.
And we decided that we were gonna really do the road to SEMA. And as soon as I got there, I was welcomed by the Jessi Combs support vehicle and the Fairlane. The road to SEMA this year means a lot to me. Every year it keeps getting better and better and better. And especially this year, like partnering with the Jessi Combs Foundation, we are following in Jessi's footsteps from Colorado to Vegas. She did these trips and they were special to her. And she's special to us. She was such an inspiration and such a mentor to so many women. What they gonna find? What they gonna find? What they gonna find on the Colorado River? What they gonna find? What they gonna find?
Wait, girl, Riley, go! You got stickers on your back tires.
Oh, don't even worry about that. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
Pump's going. Alright, kill it. Yeah. It's the pump.
Is it?
Yeah, it's only pulling now like 2 psi.
Okay.
Before we fool with the fuel pump, we wanted to just go ahead and replace some of the fuel lines. A theory is that it may have not been fuel rated, so it kind of started crunching in on itself.
We have 2 Ashleys, so we call Ashley Larry. Jumped in right away, started blowing out the lines. Larry is such a great mechanic, and it's so awesome just like seeing women get at it and do it. It's so refreshing. Like I love that we have just such a powerful team of mechanics that can do almost anything and everything, and will just jump right in and get their hands dirty.
We got pressure?
Yeah, it's at like 6.
Perfect.
Well, come on, Utah, get me over that hill. We got 10 more miles on a turn that down. We're never coming back again. Well, come on, Utah, race me over.
Last year at SEMA, I got invited to be a part of the Great Race, which Jessi was a part of. Coker Tire said Jessi was a Grand Marshal. She led the race one year. You should come and be a part of it. And we knew that the Fairlane needed to be a tribute to her.
Thirsty, I was lost. I was hanging on a cross. I was dying to make it back to Colorado. Never miss you, you're always here. Behind the door in the rear view mirror. Oh, burned out to the bone. Can't tell I'm crying, 'cause I'm stone dragging my love along the long road.
Well, looks like we lost power. Time for the pump.
Every time. So, we did not fix it. And we're losing pressure again. So what we're gonna do is put in an electric pump instead of a manual. And to do that, we're gonna leave the fuel filter and everything. And we're just gonna move the gauge. And then we're gonna run power all the way to the back and put in the electric pump there. And then we'll put in a little lever to get it running.
We're going to be running a wire back to give some power to the electric fuel pump. First time I've done it, but you know what? Power's power. So we're going to fish this down, hook it on the key side over here, and get it running to the back where the pump's going to sit, and hopefully get fuel up to the front. So I'm a commercial electrician by trade, new to cars, but I'm learning every day, and it helps being around women like this because they give me the confidence to do my thing, and I'm like, all right, here we go. So we're doing it together, and hopefully this works out, but we'll check back in. Alright, we're gonna jump back on the road.
Get your shoes on, get in the car, get the let out, get over yourself, get everything you need set out. One hand on the heater, the other flipping the radio. Full moon fever, full cup of coffee on an open road. But the sun's coming up, it's my heart like a drug. Fell for the same old tricks, fell for the lie, fell from grace, fell far behind, fell out of time, fell
Alright,
out
now
of
look at the
pace.
similarity. How did we do?
Falling backwards, fell over, fell off the face of the earth, fell in a bucket of luck, arms flailing, free falling, face first. You get burned by the fire, or get choked by the smoke. Well, the thunder does the talking, but the lightning does the work. Carry me home. I'm no good when I'm alone. I'm burned out to the bone. Can't tell I'm crying, 'cause I'm stone dragging my love along the long road.
$580 miles, and we have officially made our road to SEMA. We are here with all the ladies.
The overarching emotion is gratitude. We're gonna be pulling into SEMA with a car. So, it's just amazing.
This week is going to be so much fun.
You ever been to a rodeo?
We are going to be talking with all our sponsors, all our influencers, and with all our friends. We are in SEMA. We rolled into SEMA.